Two giants of online selling. One huge question: which platform truly powers your business to the next level? On the left, WooCommerce, the highly customizable WordPress e-commerce engine. And on the right, Wix eCommerce, the fast, friendly, all-in-one website builder. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive straight into what actually matters for your store. Each round scores points, and by the end, you'll see a clear winner for 2025. The outcome may surprise you. First up, I'm laying out a mind map so you can see exactly what we're judging these platforms on. Customizability, ease of use, pricing, e-commerce features, plugins and app integrations, scalability, SEO and marketing and support. Yep, we're going deep, so let's roll through each category. Customizability, okay, here, where WooCommerce kinda flexes, not gonna lie, you get like almost unlimited possibilities. If you're into tweaking every little thing from checkout flows to product pages, WooCommerce's open source plus a bazillion plugins means you can shape your site any way you want. But sure, you'll need some tech know-how and you gotta be okay living inside WordPress. Now Wix, super easy templates, drag and drop editor. Honestly, anyone can make a good-looking store with almost zero experience. The flip side, you hit design walls quick, a lot of custom stuff out of reach. So WooCommerce definitely wins here if you value freedom over simplicity. Now, ease of use. With WooCommerce, if you know WordPress, you'll probably figure things out, especially with all those tutorials around. Setup though, kinda slow, a bit fiddly. For newbies, it's a steeper hill. Then with Wix, this is like their playground. Beginner-friendly, click, drag, drop, no code, no drama. Plus, they walk you through most stuff and make setup almost fun. And this is a but for power users. Wix puts the brakes on flexibility and moving things out isn't so smooth. Overall, Wix takes this one hands down. Onto pricing. WooCommerce looks enticing at first. Honestly, it's free. But don't get too comfortable. Add up themes, plugins, hosting, SSLs, all those extras and your bill grows fast. It's nice that you pick exactly what you pay for, but watch those ongoing costs. Wix's pricing is way clearer. Monthly subs, everything bundled, hosting, SSL, etc., so it's predictable. Of course, when you want fancier features, you pay extra. But the surprise fees are less common. So Wix squeaks ahead in pricing, especially if you want a quick, all-inclusive shop for 2025. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know WooCommerce now powers over 28% of all online stores globally, while Wix eCommerce is used by more than 700,000 merchants? That's a massive reach, right? Let's talk e-commerce features. WooCommerce is pretty stacked. Unlimited products, B2B, wholesale, tons of integrations. It's all there if you want to build a monster store. You might need plugins for cart recovery and wish lists though. Wix honestly makes day-to-day easier, like managing products and selling all kinds of places, even eBay and Insta. You get cart recovery right out of the box. But you're capped at stuff like images per product, and wholesale is a no-go. So WooCommerce clinches this round for the sheer depth. Okay, plugins and app integrations. WooCommerce is like a candy store of plugins. We're talking over 6,000 Woo plugins plus a mountain of WordPress ones. You want it, it probably exists. But it can get overwhelming, especially for newbies. Wix has its own app market, over 500 apps, all pretty easy to use. But if you need powerhouse features, WooCommerce is just on another level. Woo takes this one. Next, scalability. WooCommerce is built to go big, no kidding. Massive product catalogs, bursts of traffic. Just be ready to handle some technical stuff like scaling servers and hiring devs if you really go wild. Wix, super solid for small to medium businesses, makes it simple to launch more stores too. But if your shop explodes and you have thousands of products, it can start to drag. Winner here, WooCommerce, especially if you're chasing growth. SEO and marketing. WooCommerce is like, here, take the wheel. With all those plugins like Yoast and full code access, you can squeeze every drop out of SEO, but keeping everything tip-top, that's on you. Wix does a pretty good job for most users: meta tags, sitemaps, server-side rendering, even some automated promos. But if you're picky about SEO, like URL tweaks and advanced stuff, you'll feel the limits. Advantage goes to Woo, but Wix holds up for simple needs. Wrapping up with support. If you use WooCommerce, you get a passionate community and help for paid plugins. Direct, round-the-clock tech support, not so much. Tough issues mean poking around forums. Wix, though, is like, here's a friendly human to help 24/7. Callback, chat, email, plus tons of how-tos. If you get stuck or just want a hand-holding, Wix is clearly better for support. Picture this: if we mapped out all those categories, customizability, ease of use, pricing, features, integrations, scalability, SEO, support, you'd see WooCommerce nailing the powerhouse stuff while Wix scores huge for being easy and beginner-friendly. The strengths really pop, depending on what you actually need for your store. So where do I land? Honestly, if you want total freedom, advanced features, even thinking about growing into a serious enterprise, WooCommerce is probably your future. But if you just want the quickest, cleanest way to open a gorgeous shop and you don't want to mess with technical stuff, Wix should be your launchpad. It's all about your vibe and how much tech you want to wrangle. Thinking about selling online? Seriously, compare your own needs and how comfy you are messing with tech. Want more breakdowns or some hands-on tutorials? Stick around because I've got more tips and deep dives coming up soon.